Welcome back to Mossy Oak Farms. We're continuing the transformation of our 15-acre wooded lot into a functional pasture. Today we are clearing out more stumps to prep the site for the new pond. It's a perfect chance to show what this Kioti CX2510 can really do. This compact tractor is proven to be incredibly versatile. If you saw the last video, we ran into a bit of trouble. I ended up breaking the left tie rod while tackling a massive stump. I was so focused on leveling the ground to get a better angle that I didn't see a pile of dirt right in front of me. I drove straight into it, and that was that for the tie rod. I planned on showing the full repair, but honestly, I managed to turn a simple fix into a real challenge. To get the jam nut off, you need a thin 24mm wrench. I kept swapping between a 24 and a 25mm, but nothing felt right. One was too tight, the other was too loose. I ground down the 24mm, which worked like a charm. I did try using channel locks first, but I accidentally scratched the cylinder. I had to buff it up with some 100 grit sandpaper. It's not perfect, but it's back in action. Since that part of the cylinder doesn't actually hit the housing, the seals are safe. Let's get back to work. If you like the vibe of the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I have many more videos and I'm always doing something new. Watch me transform this 15-acre wooded lot into a functional pasture.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I kept getting stuck right here, and I'll be honest, it was getting pretty sketchy. The tractor was so unbalanced, it kept tipping to the right. But I finally caught a break when I found a log to use for traction. At one point, I got desperate and started hacking away at the roots, hoping the stumps would finally give way, but I failed miserably. Since the stumps are all intertwined, I figured I'd try pulling the adjacent one instead, but that didn't work either. I've pulled out a lot of stumps, but it still amazes me how these massive trees are held up by such relatively small roots. It's hard to wrap my head around the fact that even with a machine this powerful, these stumps just won't budge. It really brings to mind Job 14:7-9. It says, "For there is hope even for a tree. If it is cut down, it will sprout again, and its twigs will continue to grow. If its roots grow old in the ground, and its stumps dies in the soil, at the scent of water it will sprout, and it will produce branches like a new plant." After wrestling these roots today, I can definitely relate to that scripture. I'm still a little wary of pushing the tractor too hard, especially after the tie rod incident. I only have a few more stumps to go, so until then, I'll keep praying and having faith that we won't run into any more serious issues. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.